Today we're making a mouth-watering dish that's guaranteed to impress. Juicy stuffed pork tenderloin wrapped in crispy bacon, filled with savory onions, mushrooms, and melted mozzarella. Let's get started! For the filling, you'll need diced onions, chopped mushrooms, and a touch of seasoning. Start by heating a splash of olive oil in a pan, then sauté the onions and mushrooms until softened. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper for that perfect balance of flavor. Now let's elevate the onions with a bit of butter and 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Stir it in until the onions caramelize beautifully, then finish with a splash of soy sauce for depth. Next, take a pork tenderloin, about 3 pounds, and season it with salt, paprika, and dried garlic. This will form the base for all those amazing flavors to soak in. Now for the fun part. Lay out strips of fresh or smoked bacon and carefully wrap them around the tenderloin, securing the filling inside. This not only locks in moisture, but also adds a delicious smoky aroma. Before wrapping it up completely, sprinkle 5 ounces of mozzarella cheese over the filling for that gooey, cheesy goodness. Finish with a glaze made of Dijon mustard soy sauce and chili sauce for a tangy kick. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the bacon is crisp and the pork is cooked to perfection. And here it is. Juicy stuffed pork tenderloin wrapped in bacon with a filling that's bursting with flavor. Garnish with fresh parsley, and you've got a dish that's perfect for a cozy dinner or a special occasion. Thanks for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who loves good food. See you next time!